Alright, welcome to today's edition of Fishing Outdoors. Today we will show you how to ice fish. First of all, you have to drill a hole. Alright, as you can see, we have a nice auger here. And this is to get through the ice. This is an 8-inch auger, and the ice today is about 10 inches deep. So it'll take me a little bit to get through this. But, so I'll start going. So there's your hole, 10 inches deep, 8 inches in circle, and now drill another one, and then you can put your shanty over here, and you can start fishing. Now that we just drilled our hole, we will talk about the different things that you need after you drill a hole, and where to go on from here. So,
right when you're done drilling the hole, you're going to have leftover pieces of ice left in your hole, so you're going to have to get it out with this. Just scoop it right on out, and then you stick your line in here. And you need a small pole because the fish bite really, tenderly, I guess could be the word. So you need to be able to feel it real easily. So these poles are really bendable, and you can feel it when they bite. So,
just as Renee just said, everything in ice fishing is small and miniature, so that you can feel when the fish is biting. I got small hooks, small weights, small bobbers. Everything is small, so that you can get the most sensitivity out of your fishing pole, so you can tell that if you got a fish on. Today we are using bee moths as our baits. Bee moths are very fragile, and but they're very effective. They're very small. As you can see, they look like a little grub, and that's just sawdust in my hand too. But they look like a little grub, and once you put them on your hook, after you get about one fish, they'll probably be deteriorated and fall off your hook. So that's why you have to get a lot of them. Get at least 2 packages when you're ice fishing. Another thing that's very handy is this thing. You probably don't know what this looks like or what this is, but it's got fishing line on the bottom, and you put this over top of your hole, and you hook up your bait to it, and this one is triggered automatically when you get a fish. So if you get a fish on your line, the flag pops up, and that means that you got a fish. So if you're out there with multiple holes, you can fish many different spots at one time. Another thing is, if it gets really cold, you can use your heater. Your heater, this one will heat up this ice fishing shanty very, very fast, so that way you never get cold. And one thing that's very, very handy is, if your feet are getting cold, try to put some foam or insulation or anything underneath your feet to get them off the ice. As seen from Renee's boots, she's got her boots on a piece of foam. That keeps her feet off the ice, which keeps them colder. So, that is the very handy thing that you can do to keep your feet warm, and this is also all the things that you need for your ice fishing experience. So,
to wrap this up, you need your necessities: your drill, your pole, and time. Lots of time and patience.
Always remember to
hook it
real good.